At the end of this video, you will learn how to make money from YouTube. YouTube has a larger audience, viewers tune in daily, watching content each and every single day. So I've been able to find out the easiest way to make money from YouTube, which I'm going to take you step by step on how you can earn a lot of money for yourself on YouTube. You don't have to get on camera or become an influencer. Secondly, you do not have to create a product or a course, and you don't need large amount of capital to earn money from YouTube. And your earnings will be for a lifetime, which means that you have to do the work once and it keeps paying you steadily for a long period of time. So stick around as we turn those dreams of yours into a reality. So before we dive in, if you just see me for the first time, my name is Chidi. On this channel, I share information on possible ways you can make money online. So if it sounds like what you are interested in, boop your like button, subscribe, ring your notification bell so you do not miss out on any of our money making tips. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the easiest way you can make money from YouTube is by having a YouTube channel and start creating content. Yes, you have me right. You don't have to show your face or use your voice, just like those channels you can see right here. They do not show their face on the videos. They use AI voice to create their content. But before you get into content creation, the first step you need to take is to choose the right niche. Niche simply means the topics you will be talking about in your channel. So when it comes to choosing a niche, there are a couple of best categories that you can choose from. Niche like fitness and health, finance, which includes making money online, investing, relationships, travels, and technology. This is because people are always going to be interested in these topics and they make more money per 1,000 views. Because there are many advertisers who want to place their ads on those type of content. You all know that YouTubers make money from ads that plays on their channel. So if you're going to choose a niche, you should be very careful when choosing a niche. But then you can choose something that you find interest in or something you know that you can stick with for a very long time. I'm just giving you this clue so that you can make a better choice. And that brings us to step number 2, which is creating video ideas. The system I use to get unlimited ideas for my channel is by going on YouTube, searching for popular videos that are on my niche, and sorting them out by the most viewed in the past 6 months. You will find multiple videos with over 100,000 views that you can use. And also you can use tools like VidIQ to get unlimited video ideas for your niche. Step number 3 is generating your content. You can generate your content with a lot of tools out there. All you just have to do is to script your video so you do not forget things that you want to say in the video. You can use tools like ChatGPT to generate your script. All you just have to do is to head over to ChatGPT. You ask questions on the topic you want to talk about, and once the script is generated, you copy them out and adjust some few things to give your viewers or your audience value. So once your script is ready, the next is for you to record your video. And if you do not want to show your face or use your voice, you can get AI voice generator like 11 Labs. It will help you translate those texts into audio. And you can also record your own voice using your smartphone or a recorder if you have one. And once your audio is ready, you go ahead to edit your video using CapCut. That's if you're using a mobile phone. And if you're using a laptop, OpenShot is free for you to use. As for your visuals, you can get them on Pixels.com, Pixabay.com, Shutterstock.com. These are amazing platforms where you can get visuals for your video. You will definitely find something that will work for you there. Even if you want to add music to your background, you'll find free musics there that you can add to your video. Just make sure that your music is not too loud so that your audience can hear you clearly. So make sure your video is well edited. And then you move to step number 4, which is creating your thumbnail. This is super simple and easy to achieve. Personally, I use Canva for my thumbnail. They have amazing thumbnail templates that you can use on their platform. So when creating your thumbnail, make sure you use bright colors. Make your text big, bright and readable. Do not fill your thumbnail with too much text. Keep it bright and simple. You can also go on YouTube and search for other creators' thumbnails that fall in your niche and create something similar to theirs. Keep it real and simple. Once you've done all of that, we'll move to step number 6, which is uploading and optimizing your content. Just head over to YouTube Studio, locate the create button, click on it and upload your video. Give your video a title, describe your video, make sure you add keywords that people are searching for to help optimize your video. You add your thumbnail here and follow every other process to publish your video, and your video is uploaded. So once your video is uploaded, make sure you keep uploading more and more videos. You have to be consistent in doing this. You can publish 2 videos in a week, 3 videos in a week, or even on a daily basis. You can do this consistently depending on your strengths. So make sure you are consistent so you continue getting views and subscribers. And once you meet YouTube monetization criteria, which is 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, YouTube will start placing adverts on your video, and you make money from every content you create. Apart from the money YouTube pays you, companies and firms will reach out to you for sponsored ads, and you also make money from there. So guys, get involved in making money from YouTube. This can actually replace your job if you are consistent and successful in it. I hope you got value from this video. Do lay your thoughts right in the comment section. I would love to see your comments right in the comment section. So guys, until my next video, it is peace out.